And in some other news now, the silent emptiness of space was pierced by a strange, repetitive noise that echoed through the Starliner spacecraft, a noise so bizarre that it immediately caught the attention of the astronauts aboard the ISS.
I am a part of the universe.
Space, the final frontier. A realm filled with the unknown, an infinite expanse where mysteries abound and anything seems possible. It is in this vast, enigmatic void that a new unsettling puzzle has emerged. Could it be some unknown space anomaly, or perhaps something more? Astronauts aboard the International Space Station have reported hearing mysterious sounds. NASA astronaut Butch Wilmore, alarmed at the strange noises from a speaker inside the Starliner spacecraft, dialed NASA's flight controllers in Houston.
There's a strange noise coming through the speaker. And I didn't know if you could connect into the Starliner and let me keep mic and let you hear it. I don't know what's making it, but I don't know if it's something that maybe is connected between here and there, making that happen. But anyway, can you do that?
Mission Control, equally perplexed, confirmed the eerie, rhythmic noise, promising the astronaut to get back. The unexplained noises have sparked a frenzy of speculation online, with some suggesting supernatural explanations or drawing comparisons to science fiction scenarios. However, experts have proposed more grounded theories such as electromagnetic interference or audio system feedback. This latest development adds to the growing list of anomalies associated with the Starliner mission. The spacecraft, originally intended for a brief 8-day stay, has been delayed due to a series of technical setbacks, including thruster failures and helium leaks. Astronaut Butch Wilmore stranded on the ISS alongside Sunita Williams as NASA engineers raced to identify the source of these mysterious sounds. The incident serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of space exploration. The harsh environment beyond Earth's atmosphere can present unexpected challenges, even for the most advanced technology. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.